viewers, you're welcome to this lecture. Today's lecture is on the distinctions between the insects and the arachnids. Both insects and arachnids belong to the phylum Arthropoda of the kingdom Animalia, and arthropods are organisms that are characterized by the possession of jointed appendages. Even though the insects and arachnids belong to the phylum Arthropoda, they have distinctions. The insects belong to the class Insecta, while the arachnids belong to the class Arachnida of the phylum Arthropoda. Now, let's look at some distinctive features, both anatomical and physiological features that that distinguish the insects from the arachnids. Now, here we have a spider. We have a spider and a grasshopper. A spider and a grasshopper. Now, the spider is an arachnid, while the grasshopper is an insect. The spider, which is an arachnid, has 4 pairs of legs. Okay, making 8 legs. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of legs, while the insect has 3 pairs of legs. Okay, has 3 pairs of legs. Has 1, 2, 3 pairs of legs. The arachnids, the body of the arachnid is divided into 2 parts. The cephalothorax, okay, the thorax and the head are fused together, the cephalothorax and the abdomen, while that of the insect is divided into 3 parts, the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. The insects have 2 pairs of antennae. Okay, they have 2 pairs of antennae. Okay, while the arachnids do not have antennae, but they have structures that are called palps. They have structures that are referred to as palps. Now, the insects possess compound eyes. They have compound eyes, while the arachnids do not have compound eyes, but they have, particularly the spiders. The spiders have 4 pairs of eyes, making it 8 eyes. They have 8 eyes. Then the insects usually have 2 pairs of wings, while the arachnids do not have wings at all. The arachnids, like the spider, do not have wings at all. Now, the internal anatomy, if you want to look at the internal anatomy, the insects breathe with the aid of trachea, while the arachnids make use of book lungs for respiration. The insects excrete waste with the aid of the malphibian tubules, and the arachnids also have malphibian tubules too for excretion of waste. And both insects and arachnids have open circulatory system. They both have open circulatory system. But one major distinction between the two is that the insects undergo metamorphosis. The insects undergo metamorphosis, while the arachnids do not undergo metamorphosis. Thank you very much for watching this video. I believe you must have learned something very important from this lecture. Please keep watching more of my interesting videos from my YouTube and TikTok channels, and you'll be glad you did.